Hi, Joe Brown Tool Guy. Today we're looking at the CLC L232 18-inch Tech Gear lighted tool bag. This bag has a built-in LED light with 3 levels of output. The light is powered by 2 AAA batteries that are included and easily replaceable. You can swivel the light to shine inside the bag to make it easy to locate tools and supplies, or pivot the light for task lighting. This bag is 45 pockets, 19 inside pockets, and 26 outside pockets. The bottom of the bag is yellow, so it's easy to see tools and supplies inside. The bag has base pad feet to help reduce wear and abrasion on the bottom of the bag. Another great product from CLC.